Universal movies you remember on KUSH.
In The Blues Brothers, who is playing the county clerk in one of the final scenes in the movie? Okay, time's up. It's none other than famous director guy Steven Spielberg. I'm not lying, folks. Of course, Mr. Spielberg hasn't been doing a lot of acting since then. You see, he's just been a little bit too busy, making huge blockbusters for Universal. In fact, here's a Spielberg block on KUSH.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Dinosaurs and man, two species separated by 65 million years of evolution, have just been suddenly thrown back into the mix together. How can we possibly have the slightest idea what to expect?
Life will not be contained. Life finds a way.
Boy, do I hate being right all the time.
Can you say E.T.? E.T.
E.T.
E.T. phone home?
E.T. phone home. I'll be right here.
Well, this is not a boat accident. There wasn't any propeller. There wasn't any coral reef. And it wasn't Jack the Ripper. It was a shark.
And now it's only a matter of time before this lost world is found and pillaged.
I'm not making the same mistakes again.
No, you're making all new ones. Ooh, that's how it always starts. But then later there's running and screaming. Mommy's very angry.
Hang on to something! Hang on to something!
The Universal hit radio station. Wow, not a bad little collection of films, huh? You just heard blockbusters from Steven Spielberg. It was Jurassic Park, E.T., Jaws, and The Lost World. Now, if the clips leave you wanting more, check out E.T.'s Adventure and Jurassic Park: The Ride.
Universal Radio.
All Universal hits all the time. KUSH, Hollywood. KUSH, Hollywood.
Stay tuned for more information from KUSH, live from Universal Studios Hollywood.
Broadcasting from Universal Studios Hollywood, KUSH is on the air.
You're listening to KUSH, the radio station of Universal Studios Hollywood.